Hello, it is gaming time again. On you guys' helpful hints. And I decided to scratch the idea of a like goal and just keep doing videos. So, I'm going to get started pretty soon. This time I made it so that we have a little closer zoom in. I think I'm gonna buy I'd say water tank upgrade right now. No. No. Darn it! As you can see, I just found a gold slime, but I didn't get to shoot food at it fast enough. Sadly. That would have made me quite a quick nubuck. And for you who don't know what nubucks are, they're this game's source of money. Also, tar slime, so get it out of the way, slimies. I'm not having anything to do with that tar slime. You might be thinking, bruh, you just got a water tank upgrade. Hey, you can never be too careful. Yay, more tabbies. Yay. Tabsy. I'm going to try to burst the Gordo, the pink Gordo, very, very, very soon. I just need to collect enough food. searching for any sources of food.
You're coming with me, Tabby.
It should be enough to burst the Gordo, as I like to call it. Gordo. Almost. This should be enough. Damn. Let's go. We got a slime key. Booyah. What the heck? How is that there? Bro. Dog. We got a score. We got a heartbeat. That's a pretty good score. Just heading back to the ranch. Checking out my star mail. iPet cactus. This is from Casey. Hi B. I bought a cactus from you, sort of. When I came back home, it was one of the only things left in your shop. Was a lonely little guy, so I decided to adopt it. You know I kill every plant I touch, but I promise you, this one will last. I mean, if I can't keep a cactus alive, then clearly something is wrong. When I look at it, I think of you out there on the range, doing your thing. Hope you're okay. Salutations, Mrs. LeBeau. Victor Humphreys. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Victor Humphreys, professional slime rancher, slime scientist, and an amateur musician. My understanding is that Mrs. West has already informed you of how the range exchange works, so I will spare you any further education. Instead, I will illuminate you on what you can expect from my own request. As a slime scientist / rancher, I have a tremendous interest in the liqueform region that we share this vast range with the slimes. My studies often keep me from venturing out on the range daily, and when I find myself short of a particular species, I will use the range exchange to fill that gap. Don't worry though, I will reimburse you handsomely for your efforts. Good luck in your new ventures, Mrs. LeBeau. I look forward to seeing life breathe once again into the former ranger, to the former Twilber's ranch. Sincerely, Victor Humphreys. P.S. I once lost my favorite fiddle when fleeing a feral boom slime. Its value is only sentimental, but should you find it, I'd very much love to play it again. Okay. That is that. Okay, Humphreys. Yeesh. No. No, Humphreys. I am not giving you that. That is way too much. Are you insane, Humphreys? Humphreys. You cuckoo. There's no way I'm giving you over 16 lives just for 250 coins, 16 heartbeats. You only need one. Bro, too much. Too much to ask. Rufus. Also, for my coop, I will need to find another rooster. No, don't know how good that's gonna go though. I'm going to unlock the Indigo Quarry very soon. Like right after we do these. Worthless. I will sprint to the Indigo Quarry. I have no idea how that crossroad throw will go. Is still here. Don't let any turn back right now though. Open says me. there's a Gordo in here. See? And possibly a crate or two. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Score. Score, score, score. Rad. What's something I can sacrifice? Some towers I need to show. I need some cat. I need some cat food. A rad boom slime. It's a dangerous combo. Dangerous today. Like super omega danger. Hobson message. I was always my happiest. I was always happiest when I was by my lonesome places like this old quarry suited me, nice and quiet and mostly empty. So I figured that life on the far, far range would suit me just as well. And well, wouldn't you just know it? I came all this way and the first person I see, well, she changed how I saw things, I guess. Quiet wasn't good anymore. I liked her laugh. H. I'm going back to the ranch because I have a slime toy. What? I'm making a video. Please excuse the background noise. But I may have to stop the video right now.